a Go TV app, pay by the point, or a mobile money agent near you. Go TV, leave it, love it. August means Momo Month is back, y'all, and it's bigger than ever before. If you say we are copying the end of September 2020, we need up to 10,000 Ghana cedis just by paying with your Momo QR code or merchant ID when you shop. Very easy, right? Just shop, pay with Momo, up to pay for your goods and services with a QR code or merchant ID in your My MTN app. Now if you are accumulating reward points, now bet me a part of over 4,000 people are bet me a dinkunimu and bet me a winnie BB. I was some moment here. Bet me a check your points just by dialing *120# hash. Such a sweet reward for shopping, save, and using Momo, yeah? Take note that all winners will only be called by the official MTN number, and that's 024 300,000. Now we're redeeming a prize, no? Get the number for Biafra and send you a message on Patro. Just Momo it, we did for you everywhere you go. And that will take us to Fila, baby. And the Fila Queen is already in the building, y'all. Yeah. Sister Sandy be a guy, yeah. And Fila. Sister Sandy be a guy.
Hey, Jay.
Yeah.
Oh, the J style. Like,
I hope everything is fine.
Yeah, you know, like when it comes to America, like we can speak all the things. And all that. Oh, yeah, man. Right,
yeah, you be a
Hyper boys, you too. It's a Kwanso for say, or
but I buy no snow and cars are hard work.
What I say? Yeah, so do America, Nana and because minister arrested you, Nana. What I say? Because you bet your drugstore, you bet your Chamberlain, you bet your Fluky, you bet your Kaboom, you bet your Amrado.
Kutakin now.
Nada, Nana, Bufu, I bet your Bodina. Way move for registry, but I person may work America live, won't lie. And because we just could limb last Sunday, I bet Pamom sending come room. Now, if I wouldn't say DJ BK, so or no say American Rosé. Oh, they be same way.
They say Rosé. Okay, anyway, anyway.
It's what the chain and then who ever had in Rosé. Now I'm saying I'm one chain and come my college. One chain BK.
Another one.
BK so another one by Adi. Tiano na come the may BK bo chema or chise Rosé so the young no Kumasi.
Okay.
Rosé.
Okay.
But Brian need some necessary so per se uko Kumasi. Many ambassador. Send your one ambassador to France. Ghana ambassador to London. I don't know. Saying I mean I don't know about. Many.
Ona ujidom for Kumasi.
Many American ambassador no.
All right.
Oh, so crowd. But Jerry, I dear me change disrespect, especially when you are new. Or when you are an upcoming. I was so deep woman crophobia. Obey this a wo lengelicious. Ababa lenge. What can one boom? I can the whole record label, the whole gun edge, your matem simple.
Sir?
She na xylophone sign woman with fear mouth, upper woman cast we are singing, madam. Yes, senior na obo. Bonyum no ni she. Bonyum no. And funny enough, the girl is very good. Oh, our voice or sound. They say ebony. Oh, you're good. But me person focus never call me by attack you be. Me be do be at him. I say, oh, purpose near was so trended by force near who. On a quattro to Twitter say a queen on the throne or spell you true now your tone on one. And nay, was a gun a record label papa beer ni has say.
Hey,
record label back or pen on a day or my sign on.
Oh, okay.
Meanwhile, what about Beton Crawford? You are doing well. Links Entertainment, you can call for our producer. Yeah. You can call for links to your mobile out. A rough town records. Bullets record will cry. Oh, my milk half. Mempasa.
Yeah.
Oh, Bemwa, Shembem, Nabetonum. By man may your corner. A man may did the attempt metro shot, and yet here. No crime to their shots now, boy, your shot and come in at Nahanka, 170. I can't be Babaja on him. Now, on your chew. I can't find one and I get in the banching yet. No chair, you fetch me. Now, young Quenny December, Kwame Saka. Kelvin Boy. a boom play for our nano.
Oh, okay.
Omuchema nenyom no ni EPB edru 1 million hwani.
That's nice.
I think say that is a good one for Kelvin Boy. Ntimi hu say boom play for oni Sydney abrantie bi ogina ne nchen. Omo onano. And we any good news na ye kan. Enye meto shot to hunu bi mfa me trending me rem. Obi na 1 million views boom. Afrene, congratulations to Kelvin Boy.
Sure.
I think he's doing so well. But we'll be boy and fan ko show be. Check your status. Check your status. In Pentoke hunu bi ane. Na now say na me boni jasu.
Yeah.
Me do bo hwia ko Nigeria.
Fameko.
And me say video be circulate here one Nigerian comedian or say presenter. Osi corona chema Ghana for ba be ka say yembo Ghana nyom ye bo alata nyom na Ghana for sebi epenkwase asem promote. The all ken nyina ne say anti trade ne sister miss o masem na dru Nigeria
and papa no.
Yes, for the very first time no. Ochemu I say Ghana semetimi a trendy a penetrate to Nigeria, meaning we can do it. You see, meaning we can promote.
My share video now okay no. Me share wo
appeatus
gospel artist we know Kwesi Otin ni Instagram we na me share.
Okay.
So you know. And you see guy na kan asem ni nyina and it's up to us. Say your best son.
Pia nana.
Ana say be koswa say.
Pia nana.
And he mentioned something. And that has been the excuse Ghana for Ama over the years.
Okay.
He mentioned say we've always maintained say it is because Nigeria has the numbers. But that's a lie. Because Jamaica example Jamaica saying. But their songs are everywhere.
Thank you.
It said the Ghana for
energy no
negativities in Kwana you push na a trendy or baby and young fans supporting artists and multi na ma yenyum and Ghana can say ni na wi and it is true
no baje obi a point and a bloggers and presenters and a blog now one no asem ne ka papa na motro
it is true
ye ka asem papa na motro
negativities near man kwa
and na no ye ka is the people
every time I host anybody here unim said there are some people who beside bills or catch show. Sometimes you want to get some people on the show. Some celebs nibi. Who from for interviewer. Almost then I'll tell Bill so catch on say me I don't look out for some negative stuff
based on celeb.
And then when you talk like that I'm so okay and then they come. We now interviewer. They enjoy the interview so much. Say after that they call you and then they tell you, oh Charlie, oh the way I hear interview there, Charlie may enjoy it. But you see. People will not write about those ones. Omo pe baby na. You don't be so be negative.
And Kwanso can Ghana because ko Facebook what the good story be at honum we be get 3 lives.
And she said,
yes, you come back life. We be get 30K.
Enu na entimi nko BCE dia. Mon fans are moon say, dear Mopena and one. You understand? Because at the papa, young can want some Debbie. Share and share a free year by share beautiful songs are a brand you produce to their band.
Okay,
you review me now. That one will be a young can want some, but a quiet. Nimpnabia sembi ni obi a akoye that's one. But me we should look out for the good in people and push that one.
Obi back or yon Quebec na sia ka 20 seconds bi e honye.
Asem de no na branch en kan.
Jerry me say the people are part.
Na me can say yes. It is the thing is us.
What the papa ne beto ho no enko ba bia.
Obi an fi kra.
But wo the fa de ne to fa ade ne to no asay enye obia as obia energy kokonsa negativity obi stasa nan so fele munye don drop fele na me so obi konkonseti na aye woden na aye woden me o fele na ma be kan de madwuma but me ni am forcing me creative into her say so it's up to the people to also appreciate good works. And I artists no more so kan o me say artists be share your mode na mo so so am bo dwa na mo chemo ho na mo mra interview just ya patchowa atamfo na chesi wa be mo mu ye promo bia na wa kai say oh mefa Ofie Kwanso oh mefa Adom TV mo manenye fe mumbu adwuma no na yesu ye mumu bi because artists money jaji shey na asa obi aka mas mama mo aso mo nka mo asem ni bi no mo so mbra mo ho ase ni bi because ungratefulness can when go for be ba ho mo say free artist bebre ho because obi di na ho den ne so be you obi promo bra me nka say to dan che me pin me dancing po be fa fo na kakra wonka na ye kan be den ye pia ho na na me ka say u pin obi kra na wada wo so u pin no mo so sekete na wada na ma musu na frudua no can't say when I medical, some ministry, and I said, Mama, one senior moye, and we said, about quiet, so one canon too. Barbara Jerry, no crap, a mouth for a phrase as I said, me, I can. A mouth for I should have first, oh, I say, when you free, or I say, my mamma, and say, once a girl, I know life, no, did you attempt now or there? Now, say, a mouth for was show, near my mouth, say, oh, my anchor, a mouth for patrol, oh, when you free, mamma, was same way, so, but on no, ni panel. Yeah, patrol behind the scene. We also in a stage. It's on your Munyano, Guso scene, Munyano. And I'm a come boyfriend.
All right, so I feel like it's here. But do you know that every day can be a market day at Malcolm for a period of 7 days? Yeah, so Malcolm is happy to introduce to you Malcolm Market Week. Where offer Shronkwan. And more Quenya Multimedia an amazing discount